Now, the NSSO data came out, and amongst the outlook that NSSO has projected, they've spoken about how share of burnt brick houses at 52% in 2013, but they were at 48% in 2011. So essentially, housing is becoming a lot more pakka, if you will. A lot of ancillary industries will benefit over the course of the next 8 years as a result of the recommendations that have been made by the new government in terms of most of the people getting a house to stay in over the next 5 to 10 years. So that's essentially what NSSO housing data is recommending. Now, what does that mean for some of the ancillary companies? We spoke to a paint company day before yesterday. Let's get in some of the others as well and figure out what do the next 2, 3, 5 years look like for them. So let's get in Vikram Somani, CMD of Cera Sanitary Ware. He joins us from Kolkata. We also have Abhishek Somani, joint MD of Somani Ceramics, who joins us on the show from New Delhi. So a sanitary ware company, a ceramics company. Let's get both of them on the show. Good having you. Thanks so much for joining in. Vikram, let me come to you first. How have the first 3 or 6 months looked like in terms of sales, and how do you expect the next 18 months to be? Is the momentum really strong?
Yeah, well, the first 6 months we've just ended, we had a growth of around, top line growth of around 27%. And we think the next 6 months will be better because the housing demand picks up after the monsoon season is over. So we expect a better demand in the next 6 months, and the next 18 months I think the market should improve because the sentiment is improving and the government is wanting more pakka houses to be built. They want more latrines to be completed, more schools to have latrines. So I think sentiment is improving, and I think next 18 months will be better for us.
Abhishek, hi, morning. Want to get you in on the discussion as well. Now, there is a lot of interest in the housing segment because the government is trying to provide housing for all. What's the kind of opportunity and growth that you foresee for, say, the next 18 months for companies like yours?
Like Mr. Somani said, the first 6 months has just ended. For us, we haven't announced our results as yet. But the next 6 months generally are better because the housing, after the rains, the year turns better. So for us also, the next 6 months would be even better than what we close. And looking at the government's push into the housing sector and also sanitation, it's definitely looking extremely well poised. The industry anyway has been growing in double digits, so about 13% has been the growth in the last 4 to 5 years, and I think this is only going to get better for us over the next 6 to 24 months. I don't think that any traction on what the government has been saying would take place within the next 6 months. So the second half of this year would be a normal growth which we generally get. Somani has been out bucking the trend, but going forward I think it's a great move for the industry.
So Abhishek, what is the size of the ceramics industry currently, and if you could indicate just in anticipation of how the demand is going to increase in the second half, how much new capacity is coming on stream?
So a lot of capacity already has been put on stream that will all get into production, but I think your question that how big the ceramic industry, it's about 21,000 crores and it's growing at about 13%. So it's a fairly large industry, and at this pace the growth is extremely buoyant and well poised. Exports is another market which is opening up where China, there's been an anti-dumping put pretty much across Europe and South America. Therefore India is getting that benefit of being a leading exporter.
Okay, so let's talk about, try and nail it down to numbers. Vikram, give me a sense. Your first 6 month numbers are out. What do you anticipate to do over the course of the next 6 months in terms of top line and bottom line, or give me an indicative percentage growth figure?
Well,
and what about the next 18 months?
When the top line, I think we should have around 32 or 33% growth. And the bottom line should correspondingly increase.
Would this hold true for the next fiscal as well?
Yes, I think next fiscal should be better because the demand for housing is picking up. So I think the year 15-16, our results should be, top line should be growing more, and bottom line should also correspondingly grow more.
So, what about you, Abhishek? I'm not asking whether you will be able to emulate what a sanitary ware company does, but is that 25-30% growth rate CAGR for the next 3 odd years a distinct possibility if indeed the scenario is looking so rosy?
See, the ceramic tile industry is about 5 to 6 times larger than the sanitary ware. So the base of the sanitary ware is far lower than what it is in tiles. So I don't see a growth of 30% for sure, but for the industry, I think a 15% growth, and for Somany, I've been continuously saying it would be a 20+% growth, which we've been doing for the last 5 to 6 years.
And you would also believe that there won't be too many operational pressures which would help you to maintain or better the top line growth for the next 3 years. Essentially, your PAT would at least grow at 20% for the next 3?
Look, I'm in the dark period, so I don't want to comment on that currently. Our board meeting is on the 16th.
Okay, fair call. Any kind of fundraising that companies such as yours, Mr. Somany, will have to do in order to increase capacity if indeed the demand is looking so strong?
We've just raised some funds last year, and our cash flows are extremely positive. Therefore, for the kind of growth which I'm projecting, I don't need any further funds.
Okay.
Currently, at least.
Okay.
Right. Mr. Vikram, I want to get your views in. What is it that you are sensing in terms of perhaps a push from the government's end that one can see the industry actually grow leaps and bounds?
Well, the government has said that by 2019, 2nd October, we'll have latrines in all the school toilets, and we'll have a Swachh Bharat. So that will give an impetus. And apart from that, they've said by 2022, we'll have Pakka houses. So if so many houses are going to be built, a lot of demand for sanitary ware. May not be for other ceramic things, because flooring can be of cement or stones or marble or vinyl, but sanitary ware has to be installed in all the Pakka housing. So there has to be a big demand in the next couple of years.
Okay, Vikram as well as Abhishek Somany, gentlemen, thanks so much for joining in and giving us those perspectives. Both managements, beneficiaries of a housing push, looking at good growth rates for the next few years, and watch out for these names. They might be in new focus for the next 18 odd months. By the way, GVK is in focus right now because